Environment pollution. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding groundwater contamination. 1. In India, the states of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, and Chhattisgarh are most affected by arsenic contamination of groundwater. 2. High nitrate concentration in groundwater in India has been found in almost all hydrogeological formations. 3. Central Pollution Control Board has prescribed limits for contaminants in drinking water. 4. A report titled Seeing the Invisible, a strategic report on groundwater quality, was released by World Health Organization. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding the circulatory system of the plastic. 1. India has become the third Asian country to develop a plastics pact for building a circular system for plastics. 2. Circular economy is a model of production and consumption which involves sharing, leasing, reusing, repairing, refurbishing and recycling existing materials and products as long as possible. 3. The India Plastics Pact, IPP, was launched as a collaboration between World Wide Fund for Nature India, WWF, and the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding the environmental impact of sand mining. 1. Sand acts as a natural carpet. Removal of the layer leads to the downstream erosion. 2. Sand mining leads to the shortening of the mouth of the river. 3. The local water table level decreases because of sand mining. 4. It affects the intertidal area and creates the imminent danger of saline water ingress in the freshwater. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding deforestation issue and India's initiatives. 1. Green India Mission was launched to combat deforestation as part of the National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAP. 2. India under the Bond Challenge took a pledge to restore 26 million hectares of degraded and deforested land by 2030. 3. India has signed the COP26 pledge, the Glasgow Leaders' Declaration on Forest and Land Use to stop deforestation by 2030. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 5. Which of the following statements are correct regarding desertification? 1. The desertification of northwestern India has increased after the Green Revolution of the 1960s. 2. The southern states of India have not witnessed any significant increase in desertification in the recent periods. 3. India has hosted the Conference of Parties of the UNCCD only once since its inception. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 6. With reference to ocean acidification, consider the following statements. 1. The dissolved carbon dioxide in seawater forms carbonic acid which increases the ocean's pH. 2. It is influenced by acid rain and eutrophication. 3. It reduces the concentration of carbonate, which is important for building blocks in seawater. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding nitrogen pollution. 1. Nitrogen as a dominant gas in the atmosphere is inert, but when it is released as part of compounds from agriculture, sewage and biological waste, it is considered reactive. 2. Nitrous oxide is less potent than carbon dioxide at heating the atmosphere. 3. Gases such as ammonia and nitrogen dioxide contribute to poor air quality and can aggravate respiratory and heart conditions. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Which of the following factors contribute to eutrophication? 1. Excessive use of fertilizers. 2. Untreated sewage. 3. Detergents containing phosphorus. 4. Discharge of industrial waste. 5. Release of carbon dioxide in air. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 2, 3 and 5 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 1, 4 and 5 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding the banning of persistent organic pollutants, POPs. In India. 1. The Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act of 1981's regulations prohibit the POPs listed in the Stockholm Convention. 2. The Union Ministers for External Affairs, MIA, and Environment, Forest, and Climate Change have been given authority by the Cabinet to ratify chemicals under the Stockholm Convention, MEFCC. 3. The process will enable India access to Global Environment Facility, GEF, financial resources for updating the National Implementation Plan, NIP. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only.